Today we a little bit meditate together, and we would explore the topic of, in Sutta, in Satipatthana Sutta, Buddha encourages us to be aware of four bodily posture. Like when I'm sitting, I know that I'm sitting. When I'm standing, I know that I'm standing. When I'm walking, I know that I'm walking. And when I lie down, I also know this. So, and I mean, it's interesting. What is this from practical point of view? Because every moment we actually can know what's our body posture. Like you can ask yourself, like you don't even need to close your eyes. You just ask yourself, what's my body posture? What's my body doing right now? And like I'm sitting. So these kind of things, and this is I thought about this. We discussed with other monks, and this kind of combination with of potaba, the bodily sensation, but internal sensation. You feel inside your body, like for example, my head is in this position, and I feel inside, it feels like this. If I turn my head a little bit, it will feel differently. So, and also it's combination with the sanya, like perception, because I perceive my body sitting, yeah? I perceive my body standing. It's a combination of sensation and perception. But I didn't reach final conclusion yet. So at least what Sutta say to us, it's like, while I'm sitting, I know that I'm sitting. So this is knowing part. But how I reach that conclusion, how I know that I'm sitting? Because if it's only perception, you may just sit and think, standing, 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 standing. And you would be aware, while sitting, I'm aware that I'm standing. So that it means it's not only perception, it's a perception together with reality, together with what is happening right now, really. So even like modern neuroscience, they actually study this area, and they say like our brain knows in every single moment the position of all our parts of our body. They even almost call it as another sense. It's like we have these five senses. Like it's not officially, of course, but they say it's overlap with another senses, but it's unique. It's something else. Like that's why for example, in US or in other countries, when you drive and the police stop you, and the police like suspects that you may be drunk or whatever, they ask you close your eyes and touch your nose. So usually people who under alcohol or whatever, they're not able to do this because they kind of distort. But normal person who is sane, he's like capable to do this, and it means the body know in every, I mean even mind and body together know in every moment the position of all our limbs. So it sounds very simple when we read it. When they're sitting, I know that I'm sitting. That's it. But when you start to think about this more deeply in practical level, it can be not so simple as it looked from the beginning. So today we will try a little bit to explore our body awareness. So we can find a comfortable position of the body. Body is straight and also relaxed. And you can try to let go of the past, worries about past, worries about future, what happened tomorrow, next. Just let go of this. And pay attention on the present. And you may try to feel that subtle joy from being in the present moment. A small smile on the face may help you to do this. And we may pay attention on our body. At the beginning, just in general, how I feel my body. Start from something more gross, like sensations, when your body touches the floor, for example, or the feet, and go more to subtle. Try to expand all body awareness. It's also sensations or just understanding of whole body. And ask yourself a question like, what position of the body right now? What my body doing right now? And the simple answer is sitting. You can try to understand how I come to that conclusion, how I know that the body is sitting. And when you lose your attention, again ask yourself, what's my body doing right now? What's the position of the body? And to understand the position of our limbs, our parts of the body, we may try to proceed through them. Like, for example, start from the head. Feel in which position your head right now. Again, it's combination of sensation and perception, how you perceive it. To more understand it, you may slightly turn your head, maybe left, and just watch how your position has changed. And maybe turn to another direction, and also watch it closely. How you know that your head is changing your position. What about the shoulders? How you feel your shoulders? In what position they are? And also you can try to change a little bit position of your shoulders. Maybe to move it a little bit behind and just watch what's happening. Together with sensation, there is a knowledge of the position of your shoulders and it's changing. Just notice this. To noticing these things, we don't need a special effort. This information always available for us. Just to need remind ourselves to be aware of this. What about our hands? How we know them? How we know in which position they are? And also you can move them a little bit, just a little bit slightly, and watch closely. And your legs, either you sit on the floor or on the chair, it's a different understanding, different sensation, different perception. Just to feel it. And you can also slightly move your leg. And just watch how you know that the leg is moving, the position is changing. And you can come back to full body awareness. What's my body doing right now? Is it sitting? Is it still sitting? Now with slight understanding of the parts of the body, the position of whole body need to be more clear. And you can watch your mind a little bit. How this present moment awareness, bodily awareness, how it affect your mind. Maybe mind become more settled and stable, even a little bit. Or maybe some joy and happiness there. This body awareness, it's possible to do it anytime, almost through all activities what you do, even including some most challenging, like maybe sitting or reading something or sitting in front PC, do some work. It's always possible to know what position of your body right now. Just challenging things to keep this awareness, to remind ourselves, to watch this closely and continuously. And also we may be grateful for our ability, opportunity, practice Dhamma, to be aware of our body, of our mind, to develop wholesome qualities. Also may all beings be able to do it. May all beings be free from suffering and be happy